Would you believe me if I told you a simple $1 solar light could make your backyard look like a designer's dream? Stick around, because I'm about to show you 20 mind-blowing ways to turn Dollar Tree finds into high-end outdoor magic. Hey friends, welcome back to Garden Homes, the channel where we turn small budgets into big style. And if you're new here, I'm so glad you stopped by. This is where garden lovers like you learn how to create stunning spaces without spending a fortune. Before we dive in, tap that like button if you love budget-friendly creativity, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our fresh ideas for 2025. Now, let's light up your patio with projects you've never seen done this way before. DIY 1. Solar light pathway lanterns with a twist. First up, we're turning ordinary Dollar Tree solar lights into luxury-style pathway lanterns, but with a twist that makes them look like they came from a high-end garden store. Instead of simply pushing the stake lights into the ground, we're placing them inside clear glass jars filled with smooth river rocks. The rocks add weight, style, and that soft spa-like glow at night. Line them along your garden path or patio walkway, and you've got instant resort vibes without the resort price tag. See how that first project instantly added charm? Now let's take it up a notch, because the next idea doesn't just light up your space, it completely transforms your outdoor seating area into something out of a magazine. DIY 2. Floating solar light bowls. For this one, grab a few shallow Dollar Tree bowls and give them a coat of metallic spray paint. Think gold, bronze, or matte black for a high-end look. Pop a solar light head inside and let them float in your garden fountain, pond, or even a large decorative bowl filled with water. At night, these glowing bowls create a dreamy, floating illusion that feels straight out of a luxury spa. If you thought floating lights were magical, wait until you see how we can turn simple solar stakes into a designer piece that makes guests ask, "Where did you buy that?" DIY 3. Hanging solar light chandelier. Take a Dollar Tree wire basket, flip it upside down, and weave fairy lights around it, along with several solar light tops. Hang it from a tree branch, pergola, or patio hook using a sturdy chain or rope. Once the sun goes down, you've got a glowing chandelier that feels like a mix between rustic farmhouse and high-end garden chic, perfect for outdoor dinners or cozy evening vibes. Now, not everyone has a pergola or a large tree to hang things from, so let's try something just as stunning that sits right on your patio table. DIY 4. Solar-powered tabletop fire glow. Here's one that gives you that cozy fire pit vibe without the fire hazard. Take a clear glass vase from Dollar Tree and fill it halfway with small pebbles or decorative stones. Remove the stakes from your solar lights and place the tops inside the vase, surrounding them with amber-colored glass gems. At night, the light reflects off the gems, creating a warm, flickering glow that looks like a mini fire pit, perfect for patio dinners or late-night hangouts. Now that we've created a cozy tabletop vibe, let's take things down to the ground for a design that doubles as art during the day and magic at night. DIY 5. Mosaic garden solar stones. For this one, we're making glowing garden art. Start with flat stepping stones from Dollar Tree or any budget store. Using a strong adhesive, attach colorful glass gems or broken mosaic tiles in a creative pattern. Then, install a solar light underneath or beside the stone so the light shines upward, making the colors sparkle at night. During the day, it's a vibrant piece of art. At night, it becomes a glowing statement piece for your garden walkway. We've added sparkle to the ground, but what about giving your plants their own spotlight? The next DIY is perfect for making your blooms glow like they're on stage. DIY 6. Glow-up flower pots. Take basic Dollar Tree terracotta pots and coat them with textured spray paint for a stone or ceramic look. Remove the stakes from small solar lights and attach the light tops under the rim of the pots using waterproof adhesive. When the sun sets, the lights cast a soft downward glow, highlighting your flowers as if they're part of a professional garden display. It's elegant, simple, and looks far more expensive than it really is. Now that our flowers have their own spotlight, let's add something a bit more whimsical that feels like something out of a fairy tale. DIY 7. Enchanted solar fairy lanterns. For this one, grab mason jars or any clear Dollar Tree jar with a lid. Coat the inside with a thin layer of frosted spray or Mod Podge mixed with glitter. Drop in the solar light top, secure it inside the lid, and decorate the outside with tiny fairy decals or pressed flowers. At night, the jar glows softly like it's filled with fireflies. Hang a few from low branches or place them along your garden path for a magical storybook feel. Fairy lights are dreamy, but what if I told you we could turn solar lights into something totally unexpected? A glowing piece of art for your garden wall. DIY 8. Solar-powered garden wall art. Take a plain wooden frame from Dollar Tree and give it a distressed or metallic finish for a high-end look. Inside the frame, create a design using small mirrors, faux greenery, or metal accents. Then strategically place solar light tops behind or around the frame. When night falls, the piece lights up from within, creating a glowing art display for your garden wall, fence, or patio backdrop. It's like having your very own outdoor gallery. Now, let's bring some movement into the mix because the next project dances with the breeze while glowing beautifully after sunset. DIY 9. Glowing wind spinners. Start with a lightweight Dollar Tree wind spinner. Those colorful metal or plastic ones work great. Detach the stake and secure a solar light top at the center or bottom of the spinner using strong waterproof adhesive. When the sun sets, the spinning motion catches and reflects the light, creating a mesmerizing glow that shifts with every breeze. It's part sculpture, part light show, perfect for adding motion and magic to your garden. We've seen light that moves with the wind, but what about light that hides in plain sight until dark? This next one doubles as daytime decor and nighttime glow. DIY 10. Solar light garden mushrooms. Grab small glass bowls from Dollar Tree and paint them with whimsical patterns, white with red dots for a fairy garden look or metallics for a chic vibe. Flip the bowls upside down and mount them on short wooden dowels or sturdy branches as stems. Place a solar light top under each bowl so it glows softly at night. During the day, they look like playful mushrooms. After dark, they become glowing garden sculptures that feel straight out of a fantasy scene. We've seen light that moves with the wind, but what about light that hides in plain sight until dark? This next one doubles as daytime decor and nighttime glow. DIY 11. Hidden glow pathway stones. Using Dollar Tree stepping stones, drill a small hole or cut a slot just big enough to fit the top of a solar light. Secure the light with waterproof adhesive, then cover the surrounding area with moss, gravel, or mulch to blend it seamlessly into your garden path. During the day, it looks like a natural stone walkway, but at night, the stones glow softly like tiny beacons guiding you along the path. Now that the path is glowing, let's head to the fence and add some vertical magic, because not all lighting has to stay low to the ground. DIY 12. Vertical solar fence lights. Take small Dollar Tree solar lights, remove the stakes, and mount them onto wooden fence panels using strong adhesive or small brackets. To make them look upscale, wrap each light in a decorative sconce frame. This can be as simple as a cut piece of lattice, a mini wire basket, or a small wooden frame. At night, your fence becomes a glowing backdrop, adding dimension and elegance to your garden without a high price tag. We've lit up the fence, but what about a project that gives your outdoor dining area a soft, romantic glow? This next one feels like dinner under the stars every single night. DIY 13. Solar light wine bottle torches. Collect a few empty wine bottles and give them a frosted or metallic paint finish for that high-end look. Remove the stakes from Dollar Tree solar lights and insert the tops into the bottles, securing them with clear adhesive or cork inserts. Arrange several along an outdoor dining table or place them on the ground near seating areas. When the sun sets, the glowing bottles create a soft, romantic ambiance, like candlelight, but without the worry of open flames. Dinner's covered, but what about a project that makes your garden feel like an art installation? This next idea will have everyone asking where you bought it. DIY 14. Solar orb garden sculptures. Pick up clear plastic globes or round light covers from Dollar Tree. Give them a frosted, pearlescent, or metallic finish using spray paint for a luxe touch.
Place solar light tops inside and position the orbs in clusters around your garden beds, patio corners, or near water features. At night, they glow like mystical orbs scattered across your landscape, elegant, modern, and completely unique. Now that we've created glowing sculptures, let's move to something functional, lighting that doubles as stylish seating for those cozy outdoor nights.
DIY 15. Solar Light Garden Stools. Take sturdy Dollar Tree planters and flip them upside down to create budget-friendly stools or side tables. Spray paint them with a high-end finish. Think stone texture, matte black, or copper. Remove the stakes from solar lights and secure the tops underneath the rim of each planter so the light glows down onto the ground. At night, these stools not only provide extra seating, but also create a soft pool of light around your patio seating area. Functional and beautiful. Okay, we've got glowing stools, but what about something that turns your garden into a magical trail of light and shadows? This next one is pure ambiance. DIY 16. Pattern shadow lanterns. Start with Dollar Tree metal lanterns or decorative tins with cutout patterns. Remove the stake from a solar light and place the light top inside each lantern. When night falls, these lanterns cast beautiful patterns of light and shadow across your patio or garden walls, creating a luxurious ambiance that looks professionally designed. You can cluster a few for a dramatic effect or line them up for a soft, glowing pathway. We've created dreamy shadows, but now let's add height to your garden lighting with a project that looks like it came from a high-end catalog. DIY 17. Solar Light Garden Poles. Take tall wooden dowels or bamboo poles from Dollar Tree and paint them in matte black, bronze, or natural wood tones. Mount solar light tops on each pole and arrange them at different heights around flower beds, seating areas, or pathways. The varying heights create a layered lighting effect, almost like a designer landscape installation, while still being simple and affordable. Now we've added height, but what about lighting that surprises you by where it hides? This next one is subtle during the day, but stunning at night. DIY 18. Hidden Glow Planter Bases. Take large Dollar Tree planters and create a false bottom by placing a smaller pot upside down inside. Attach solar light tops around the inner rim pointing downward. Once your plants are added, the lights stay hidden, casting a soft upward glow at night that makes your plants look like they're floating. It's subtle, classy, and looks like something from a luxury garden showroom. We've hidden lights and planters, but what if we made something that doubles as outdoor decor and mood lighting? This next one's a real conversation piece. DIY 19. Solar-powered garden sculptures. Pick up small garden statues or figurines from Dollar Tree. Think animals, abstract shapes, or mini gnomes. Hollow out a small section or use a pre-made cavity to fit a solar light top. Seal with clear adhesive so the light glows through small openings or around the base. At night, your sculptures come alive, casting soft glows that highlight their shapes and add a playful yet classy touch to your garden. We've almost reached the finale, and this last idea combines everything we've done into one show-stopping centerpiece for your patio or backyard. DIY 20. Solar Light Tiered Fountain Feature. Stack 3 or 4 Dollar Tree planters in a tiered arrangement, largest at the bottom to smallest at the top, using heavy-duty adhesive to secure each level. Paint the entire structure with a stone or metallic finish for a luxe look. Place solar light tops around each tier, pointing upward to highlight the shape. Add decorative pebbles, faux water plants, or small reflective gems to mimic a cascading fountain. At night, the glow creates the illusion of flowing light, your very own budget-friendly garden showpiece. And there you have it, 20 creative ways to turn simple Dollar Tree solar lights into high-end DIYs that will make your patio and garden feel like a designer's dream. I hope today's project sparks some new ideas for your outdoor space. If you found even one of these ideas inspiring, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps more garden lovers find us. And if you're new here, consider subscribing to Garden Homes, where budget meets beauty every single week. Thanks for spending time with me today. Until next time, keep creating, keep growing, and keep proving that stunning spaces don't have to come with stunning price tags. See you in the next one.